Well, guys, I'm sorry if I didn't make a show yet. So right now I'm going to do it. So this episode is Go Animate Rainbow Final Sign Off in October 1st, 2019. So enjoy this. Oh, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. You're watching Go Animate Rainbow Network, the epic of animation. Coming up next on Go Animate Rainbow Network is, wait a minute, we're doing our final sign off because of the announcement. But wait, we're not doing our final sign off yet. We're doing our final commercial break. So enjoy this.
Share web videos with family and friends on your big screen. With me, Devo.
Well, guys, today's a sad day for us Go Animate Rainbow Network. So, I'm gonna say this one more time. Go Animate Rainbow Network's day has ended for the final last time. So, we will not be back tomorrow because we are bankrupt. Why are we bankrupt, you might ask? Because somebody refunded our Go Animate a Rainbow Network that our day and night time block 24/7 service. But now it's not 24/7. Bion, our Rainbow Network is gonna come. Well, without further ado, it's time to say this final time. Goodbye, Go Animate Rainbow Network. Hi people, my name is YouTube, and welcome to Bion Rainbow Network, where all your favorite shows are here. So coming up next, it's Red and Stimpy, the new show, only on Bion Network Rainbow. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this. So goodbye, and see you on the next video.